What's up guys, welcome to Lentz Lundy Boxing, and today we're going to learn how to skip rope like a boxer. You want to get a skip rope just like this. You could purchase one at Walmart, Amazon, or any sports shop next to where you live. So we're going to start off like this. We're going to take our rope, we're going to throw it away because we don't know how to skip yet. Secondly, I'm going to tie my shoes for the first time ever. Now that we're ready to skip, we're going to start bouncing in place. Once you get this right, you can start shifting your weight from left to right. I like to go 2 steps at a time. So 2 bounces on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Once you get that right, you start moving your arms. So you start rotating your arms like this, and then you start incorporating the bounce and the arm movement at the same time with your imaginary rope. So you're going to be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. So basically when you're skipping rope, you always want to kick one foot backwards. So it looks like this. There's always one heel facing back. One heel facing back. You always want to be light on your feet, always bouncing off the ball of your feet. You never want to land on the heel. You always want to stay light on your toes and land on the ball of your feet when you're skipping rope. So now that we mastered skipping with the imaginary rope, we're going to take the real rope. So just to start off, your rope should be able to touch the ground and touch your armpits. This is the perfect size rope. If the rope is too long, what you want to do is simply tie a knot. Just like that. You could tie as many knots as you want depending on how long the rope is compared to how tall you are. So we're going to start off very, very simple. Start off like this. So you want to jump in place. Then when you start to get the hang of it, you start shifting your weight. Just like that. Left, left, right, right. Left, left, right, right. Left, left, right, right. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's how you skip rope like a boxer. You want to skip for about 10 minutes before your training. So skipping rope is very important for your coordination, and it's a great tool to warm up before your training session when you box. Once you've learned how to skip normally, you'll be able to add a few tricks. That way it doesn't become too redundant when you're doing your 10-minute skip before your training. So I'll show you a few moves that I like to use. So now that you learn how to skip rope, you'll be able to do this for 10 minutes before every training. It really helps for your cardio as well as your coordination. So it helps with your flow and your rhythm when you're boxing because you're constantly going from left to right, shifting your weight. I hope that this video helped out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend if you found it useful. Peace out.